This diesel 2022 Forest River Forester MBS is for sale by owner and is being marketed with the help of National Vehicle, the world's largest for sale by owner RV marketplace. Imagine heading off to all of your favorite destinations in this Forest River Forester MBS. This unit has a slide-out that significantly increases the usable space. This RV is powered by a Mercedes-Benz V6 engine. Contact one of National Vehicle's friendly representatives today, and let's get your journey started. Visit this RV listing by clicking our link in the description below.